in the middle of a densely populated city. Two huge Dilophosaurus will engage in a fierce fight. They stood in the middle of the city in a densely populated crowd. In morning activities, the Dilophosaurus, which has dark skin with scary black stripes, hissed angrily at the brightly colored Dilophosaurus. He answered the challenge with a sharp gaze. They prepare to fight for territory and food sources. The dark Dilophosaurus attacks, trying to make itself look bigger and scarier. The Dilophosaurus brightly answered and was ready to counterattack. They clawed and bit at each other, emitting thunderous sounds. Their battle dance was impressive, with saliva splashing and blood streaks on the ground. However, as time goes by, they start to get tired. They stopped for a moment and looked at each other. Both of them realized that this fight would not produce a winner.